So is age an important factor in achieving your goals? Whether you're young or old, age, shouldn't be a limiting factor in what you do, how you upgrade your skills, or what kind of job you do. We have an inspiring story today of someone who's young, basically a kid with some amazing computer science, technological skills, who was going to share their story to help inspire you guys to hopefully see that anything is possible. And if you want to achieve a goal and especially your job, you can do it. Hey friends, welcome to Chine Coaching. Rob here. And at Chine Coaching, we love people be successful in their cross-cultural journeys, especially in their jobs and careers and upgrading themselves. And today we've got a fun story with Darshan, who's going to talk about how he's gotten into computer science and full stack developing at a very young age and give you guys some great tips to help you upgrade your career. Darshan, go ahead and introduce yourself, buddy.
So I am Darshan and I am a Python full stack developer, full stack web developer and a mentor. I teach several students to code. I teach them Python full stack development and full stack web development. In full stack web development, I cover front-end technologies and back-end technologies. In back-end technologies, I teach MySQL, Django, React.js means how to combine Django and React.js. In front-end technologies, I teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript and whole JavaScript libraries that are being needed for JavaScript. And yeah, I'm 14 years old, learned programming actually. Yeah, and I'm in school basically, and I'm from India. I'm living in India, in Maharashtra state. Yeah, and apart from programming, I'm a technical content writer and a technical content creator. Means I'm writing articles on every weekend for programming, and a technical content creator means I'm creating contents about programming and posting on my Instagram account. Yeah, that's it about me.
So Darshan, tell us, how did you get started and how did you become a full stack developer?
In full stack development, I'm having 1.5 years of experience as I started in lockdown. Okay, like COVID hits the world. Okay, COVID hits the world as I'm like so boring kind of guy. Okay, like I'm just scrolling on YouTube, and on YouTube I just got a programming video, one programming video. Then I clicked on that and see like what is programming, how you can do programming, how you can start building projects, how you can make your own website. So I watched that video. After watching that video, I got interested in programming. Okay, after getting the interest in programming, I've got more deeper into it. After going deep into it, I started building projects. I've taken some courses and I've also watched some tutorials from YouTube. Like YouTube is the best resource for learning anything. After learning from YouTube, I made some projects from myself only. After making the projects, I got that concepts clear. After clearing the concepts, I moved towards another tech stack. Like my first programming language was Python. As I've learned Python, after that, I moved towards full stack development with Python. Like there is some basic technologies we can do with Python, like machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. Like in artificial intelligence, we can create our own bots, our own robots, we can tell. In machine learning, there is Keras and TensorFlow, and Python web frameworks, absolutely, Django and Flask, like that. After that, I got to know about full stack web development. Like what is full stack web development? How you can make websites from your own, how you can build them, how you can deploy them. After that, I moved towards basic technologies of web development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I learned the whole. After that, I moved toward full stack web development. Okay, in that I've learned about basic databases and backend stuff. In backend stuff, I learned about MySQL, Django, and how we can combine React plus Django. Yeah, and after learning that, I also made some cool projects. Absolutely, I made some cool projects using web development. Like, yeah, there are some examples we can take, like Amazon clone basically that we can make using Django plus React, Amazon clone, Facebook clone. Like we can make the similar apps using the React.js and web development.
Fantastic. And then how have you started to become a mentor to other people as well?
So basically, how I started mentoring people. So in my mind, thought came like we can also teach people like we did. Like we learned these tech stacks, we learned web development, we learned Python full stack development. So we can also teach students, and they can also got their futures. They can also change their futures and their lives by like getting my mentorship. In my mentorship, I'm teaching them Python full stack development and full stack web development. If they want to learn full stack web development, I teach them HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and hold the tech stacks in web development. After that, if they want to learn Python, in like there are like some unique ways in my mentorship. Like I give homeworks after every session to master the concept that they have like cleared in the sessions, one-on-one mentoring sessions. I take one-on-one mentoring sessions on Zoom call. Yeah. After like and yes, after that I teach like weekly coaching sessions. Like they're like quizzes for them. There is a quizzes for them. Doubt sessions will be there. Like your doubts will be cleared on that day, specific day. There will be certificates of completion after completing the course, and there are some internships. Okay, there are some internships. If you really master that concept, the interviewer will take your interview and he will give you internships from my unique mentorship program.
You said that you're going to be
Yeah,
joining some companies soon. What helped you to get jobs at some of these companies that you're going to be starting in the near future?
I've joined one company soon, means like before ago only. So the name is Geeks for Geeks. I'm a content creator there. Like I got that job like from my LinkedIn profile. I told you like one way how you can get a job from LinkedIn, how you can make an effective use of LinkedIn. So basically, make your online presence first. Start your building your personal brand. Basically, LinkedIn is the best option for choosing the job and choosing the right career path that you are having and that you want to achieve in the future. So basically, I've got to know about LinkedIn first. Then after getting the know about LinkedIn, then I moved towards creating my personal profile on LinkedIn. I have like created some connections on LinkedIn. After creating the connections, the hiring managers and recruiters see my profile. Then like how I post the posts on LinkedIn profiles, how I make the connections. What are my personal profile, my bio? Like I'm a Python full stack developer, full stack web developer, and a mentor. So they seen my profile. After that, they message me, "Hey Darshan, are you interested for this job? We can have a call, and you can also get some like resources and some incentives after this for this job." So I told them like, "Yeah, I'm interested for that. We can have a call." After having a call, in the conversation that we are having, in that you can like tell these are my skills. You can achieve this, and I can work for your company as well. Like I can work for this tech stacks. They loved it, and they send me a offer letter. Then I like jump into it.
Our chat question for this video is, what kind of tech jobs are you guys interested in? So for you viewers, let us know in the comments. Tell us what kind of tech jobs, what kind of roles are you guys applying for or hoping to get? Share in the comments. Let us know. Another thing that you've done, Darshan, is launching some of your own courses. Tell us about the two courses that you've launched.
Basically, I've launched two courses. The first launch of my course was Python full stack development. In that, you will be getting to know about whole of the Python full stack development, like machine learning, some basic technologies of Python, like data types, DSA, data structure and algorithms, and some backend stuff, Django, web frameworks, Django and Flask, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and some web frameworks technologies. So I launched that course, and basically I've told people like this is my course. We can get on a free demo call so that we can discuss about this course. If you are interested, you can take this course, or if you are not interested, let it be. It will be also okay. I'll help you anyways. So after that, after launching this course, then I launched a second course that is full stack web development. And in that, as well, I told before, like in that, we'll cover all the full stack web development tech stacks like front end technologies and back end technologies. That makes a full stack development. In the front end technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In the back end technologies, MySQL, NoSQL, Django, and Firebase hosting and Firebase databases. Like there are some tech stacks. Yeah, so like this, I've launched my two courses.
Is there any other final tips just from LinkedIn that you've learned that have helped you that you'd want to share with other people?
Basically, the LinkedIn, from my opinion, is the best option for your career or for your personal path, your future. Basically, what you can do is just create a profile on LinkedIn. After creating a profile on LinkedIn, just make your bio make your bio like efficiently great. After that, start posting your projects. If you're doing any projects about web development, start posting that unique projects you make about, and start like make a video on it. Like I made this today, I made that today, and after making that, hiring managers or recruiters will see your projects. Okay, they will got to know about your projects, and they automatically will like get to know about you, and they will message you, "Hey, this project was really great. Can we get on a call? We are hiring this types of recruiters. Like we are hiring this types of posts are available in our company, and like I'm interested in your profile. We can get on a call." After getting on a call, have a conversation with them. So these are the like effective use of LinkedIn. Like you can post about projects that you have made. You can post about the final thoughts you have made. You can post about the career you have chosen, and yeah, like that.
Yeah, I totally agree. LinkedIn is so powerful. It's a great way to build your brand,
Yeah,
show your experience and your skills, and be found by recruiters, hiring managers. And it's a great opportunity that you should definitely be taking advantage of. And I love, yeah, your story, Darshan. Just, yeah, 14 years old, learning new
oh thanks.
skills, showing them, and then creating opportunities with it. And this is a great inspiration for other job seekers out there. So I really appreciate you guys sharing. Be sure to connect with us online on social media. We want to help you guys continue to thrive. Be sure you're subscribed to the China Coaching newsletter as well. And yeah, we want to see you guys succeed in your cross-cultural journeys. Give a big like and thumbs up to say thanks to Darshan sharing his story. Hopefully it's helpful inspiration to you guys. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time at China Coaching. Cheers.